Matthew Nelson, newly appointed global CEO of British market research firm Mintel, said in a Xinhua interview that multiple factors will continue to drive the growth of the Chinese market, and global brands should definitely have a focus on China.
I'm optimistic about China's growth coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, and I think it offers great opportunities going forward. Any global brand, whether it's Mintel, Market Intelligence, or whether it's automotive, retail, food and beverage, if you're a global brand, you should definitely have a focus on China.
Founded in 1972, the London-based market intelligence company tracked consumer spending across 34 markets worldwide. Nelson said the Chinese market is a large part of Mintel's Asia portfolio, and that's been a key part of our business plan going forward.
We've enjoyed partnering with Chinese clients and businesses within the market there to help them grow. And I think most excitingly, Mintel's got a real focus on China going forward. There's a number of investments coming in that are further going to help us establish ourselves and work closely with Chinese clients going forward to help them win and create big market share within their industries.
Nelson said he believes that China's economy, set for continued strong growth, will be a driver for global recovery.
I think there is a real importance with China to the global economy. I think China being the second largest global economy means a lot to the world. And if we align that along with Mintel's understanding of the fact that there is an increase in confidence in consumer spending within the market, I think China booming can only be a very positive thing for the global economy.